Jai Hind friends. Today again we will continue our topic as we were discussing in our last video about the personality development. That session was in Hindi and today we'll continue in English. Personalities are not born, they are really forced. It is a process that requires time and efforts. We are what we do and what we surrounded ourselves with. The ideas we take from the world become us and later decide our success. In the current era of endless opportunity and ever increasing competition, it is extremely important to work on one's own personality. Only good grades will not ensure the success anywhere. A perfect balance between academic excellence and acquisite soft skills is really essential for us. People are unaware of the importance of personality development. This due to lack of counseling and guidance. Millions of students, global students, have low self-confidence and the fear of public speaking. The ideas of poor, it leads to poor performance in college and job interviews, but in the era, most of the colleges and institutions are organizing these programs separately in their semesters or sessions. But most of the schools, even in India, do not provide personality development trainings to their students. Such programs are useful and help students to work on their latent skills. Area like body language, confidence building, public speaking, idea generation, creative and critical thinking, etc., should be taught at school level as they are tested. Once an individual starts his career, it is not something to taken for granted, and its importance should be taught to students from a very young age at school level. The need of professional development skills, why it is required. Professional skills are something that is not inborn and should be learned by every individual. A person with remarkable professional skill will excel much better than a person with poor professional conducts. Skills like organization skills, work efficiency, language skill, presentation skills, etc. are a must to learn by every individual. Lack of any one of these skills lead to frustration at workplace and a monotonous success rate. Everybody dreams of a successful career and a luxurious lifestyle, but only a limited amount of people achieve this. We need to go that extra mile, and personality trainings is surely that extra mile that only some people decide to take it. Life skills for a successful career. Life skills like time management, anger management, stress management, etc. should be learned by everyone as they help in shaping the inner personality. In order to achieve ultimate success, it is very important to have a realized soul. Happiness attracts opportunities and luck. If a person is happy and realized from the inside, he is more attractive to detail. The happiness aura in him help him understand, react, and respond in a better way. A realized human being is more creative as his vision and decisions are more lucid than a person with a troubled and disturbed mindsets. In concentrating, if he is suffering from stress and depressions, ascension mid leads to better productivity and efficiency. In other words, if I say sound personal life helps in the development of a successful professional life, as both of them are greatly interconnected to each other. The purpose of life. What is the purpose of life? It's very common question, but how many people give the correct answer? It is said that the purpose of life is to live a purposeful life. So, what is the purpose anyway? Materialistic success or inner peace? The perfect combination of both is the answer. The right connection of both the phenomena. If with a profound personality and individual can achieve both of them. He can be materialistically development training, open the horizon of human capabilities and wins. The ambient of the one's skills set and expert. A person gets to know about the hidden talent and capabilities. One get the answers to the age-old questions. Who I am? The question has generated more doubts than any other things in the world. It has led to failure and demotivation all around the globe. So it is very important to find our self or oneself and the purpose of which one is here. With personality development training, life get a purpose and success become byproduct. Thus, the personality development is not limited to speaking in good English. It means to work on your weaknesses, your strengthening, your fort and polishing those essential skills. Personality development also means to become successful while retaining those human skills. So friends, I tried to describe the personality development program, and my efforts will be continued, and as you are supporting to me, it's really appreciable. I really thankful to every viewer who are watching my videos and giving your feedback, and I hope that you will make and maintain this momentum. I appreciate your words when you give me in my comments box, and I'll meet with the new topic in new video. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.